CSUDH Administration and Finance. Space Allocation Request Form Tutorial. Note, to complete the steps in this tutorial, you must first receive access to CSUDH Adobe Sign Solutions. Access request link can be found in the video description below. Step 1. Sign in at secure.adobesign.com/public/login. Enter your CSUDH email. When you click on the password box, you will be automatically redirected to the CSUDH single sign-on page. Enter your CSUDH login credentials. Then click Sign In. Using your mobile phone, approve the Duo push notification to proceed. Since I'm logging in from a personal laptop, I will click Yes, this is my device. You are now logged in to CSUDH Adobe Sign. To find the Space Allocation Request form, click Start from Library. Then click Workflows. In the search bar, type SPACE and the form should appear. Click Space Allocation Request Workflow. Then click Start. On this page, you only need to complete the recipient section. Enter your email as the requester. Note, depending on your department's org chart, in some cases you may also need to enter your email as a signer. Once you are finished, scroll to the bottom and click Send. Next, follow the blue arrow to fill out the form. After all the sections have been completed, the blue arrow will go away and a blue button will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click this button to approve and route the form for signatures. A confirmation page will appear to let you know the form has been completed successfully and sent out for signatures. An email confirmation will also be sent to your inbox. Still need assistance? Email spaceallocationrequest@csudh.edu.